everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truly refreshing take on money. Happy Money, The Science of Smarter Spending by Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton. Now you might be thinking, money makes me happy, right? Well, turns out it is not just about how much money you have, but how you spend it that truly impacts your happiness. So, let's explore the science behind smarter spending and how it can make you feel richer than ever. Ready? Let's get started. Lesson 1. First up by experiences by first up by experiences, not things. Now we all love a shiny a new gadget. But did you know that spending on experiences like traveling, going to concert, or even just spending quality time with loved ones makes us happier than the buying material goods? Research shows that everyone gives us lasting memories, bring us closer to others, and help us create stories we'll cherish forever. When you think about it, experiences are the things that shapes us and makes us feel alive. Think of a time when you bought something expensive. How long did the joy last? Compare that to the excitement of a fun trip or an unforgettable evening with friends. This is where your money can really work to boost your happiness. Next, let's talk about spending on others. Happy money reveals a fascinating insight. When you spend money on others, whether it is buying a gift for a friend or donating to charity, it actually makes you feel happier. This is backed by science. Studies show that giving creates a sense of connection and purpose, which boosts your overall well-being. It's like a happiness cycle. The more you give, the more you receive emotionally. That is. So, next time you're thinking about treating yourself to something, think about how much more joy you might get from sharing that happiness with someone else. Whether it is a surprise gift or paying it forward, you'll get a double dose of good vibes. Here is another surprising concept from Happy Money. Buying time can make you happier than buying stuff. In other words, spending your money on things that save you time, like hiring help, ordering takeout, or outsourcing tasks. All this leads to more like life satisfaction. When you have more time to focus on things that bring you joy, whether it is hobby, family time, or simply relaxing, it is like you have just given yourself a little gift of happiness. Imagine if you could spend less time doing chores or running errands and more time on activities that recharge you. This is a powerful way to use your money to boost your quality of life. Now, let's talk about investing in your future self. According to Happy Money, one of the smartest way to spend is by investing in the things that improve your well-being in the long term. Think fitness memberships, personal development, or saving for a future goal. When we invest in our health, education, or future experiences, we're not just spending money, we're spending in a way that creates a stronger, more fulfilling life down the road. These kinds of investment compound over time, making you feel wealthier and more accomplished as the years go by. One of the biggest killers of happiness is comparing your spending to others. Happy Money warns against the trap of materialism. When you are constantly trying to keep up with the Joneses, you are never really satisfied. Instead of focus instead focus on what you value. It's not about having the biggest houses or the fascinating car. It is about spending money on what aligns with your own happiness. Your wealth is personal, and once you stop comparing yourself to others, you will find that your spending starts to feel way more fulfilling. This also ties into the concept of enough. You don't need endless stuff to be happy. What matters is how well your spending reflects your own values and what truly brings you the joy. Let's recap the five key takeaways from Happy Money, the science of smarter spending. The first one, buy experiences, not things. Second, spend on others. Giving makes you happier. Third, spend to have time, spend to save time and invest in what makes life easier. The fourth, invest in your future self. Five, stop comparing your spending to others. By making all these small shifts in how you spend, you can dramatically increase your happiness and feel richer. Not in money, but in life. So, what do you think? Are you ready to start spending in a way that brings you more joy? Let me know in the comments which lessons from this book you are excited to try it out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and share this video with anyone who could use a little more happiness in their financial life. Remember, happiness is not about how much you have, but how wisely you spend. Go out there and spend smarter. Live happier.